Hello guys, welcome to our channel. How to fix an unexpected error is keeping you from copying this file problem, and if you continue to receive this error you can use the error code to search for help with this problem. So if you are also getting this error, how you can fix this problem I will tell you in today's video. Hope you like this video and subscribe our channel. So I have getting this same problem. So what I done to fix this problem, I will tell you several ways that help me to fix this problem. Hope you like and subscribe our channel. So I wonder if this file system feature or if this boot folder is considered who protected I said from hidden files is also a setting to hide protected OS file. Regardless of the state of being hidden, you should be able to navigate to it, thereby entering dboot in the folder path. So this was the issue. What you need to do, hide protected OS file was selected. So you need to hide protected OS files was you need to select them, and it will help you to fix the problem. So this will work for many users. You can also try this method, and you may have hidden files shown, but I don't see protected system files. So that's is another box to tick in Explorer option, and this option will help out to figure out from this problem. So many users are facing this problem, so in this way they can fix the problem easily. So guys, if you want to know any further information regarding this matter, you can simply comment down.